Hey everyone! In this video, I'll explain how recruiters evaluate LinkedIn profiles step by step, updated for 2026. Knowing this process helps you position your profile to get more interview calls. First, recruiters look at your profile photo and headline. A clear professional photo and a keyword-rich headline instantly decide whether they continue or skip your profile. Next, they scan your current job title and company. Recruiters want to quickly understand your role, seniority level, and relevance to the position they're hiring for. After that, they read the About section. This is where recruiters evaluate your expertise, achievements, and career direction. Clear positioning and results-focused language make a strong impression. Then comes the Experience section. Recruiters check job titles, responsibilities, and measurable results. Profiles with clear descriptions and relevant keywords rank and convert better. Next, recruiters review the skills section. They look for job-specific skills that match their filters. Endorsed and well-organized skills increase credibility. Recruiters also check profile completeness and consistency. When your headline, about, experience, and skills all align, LinkedIn understands your profile better. Activity and freshness matter too. Recently updated profiles and active users often appear more relevant in recruiter searches. Finally, recruiters evaluate overall fit, experience level, industry match, and clarity. Profiles that look focused, updated, and easy to understand are more likely to get contacted. If you align your profile with how recruiters evaluate candidates, your chances of getting noticed in 2026 increase significantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more LinkedIn optimization tips. Thanks for watching.